Welcome back. 350Z again is wrapped is dark and dirty. We have Black Wrap Shampoo, which is precisely for black cars, for P and dough cars, and for cars with matte finish. Here in this location, from January onwards, guys, we will be doing workshops. What you see in the video, you will be able to see it live. Crazy thing. And what you have to do, you have to sign up all here easy free. One click, go ready, let's go, and a good viewing. Black Wrap Shampoo washes and protects and has an anti-lime action designed for black filmed cars with PPF and matte finish. It has a soft, compact lather and helps prevent micro swirls and scratches. Dark cars are very sleek, but their cleaning may also require more care because on black a micro scratch is immediately visible. 2-in-1 glossy and stain-resistant action in one product. Its formula eliminates the microfilm of lime scale that forms wash after wash in the case of a glossy finish. The lime scale extinguishes the color, while on matte finishes that are more porous, it greatly encapsulates the traffic film, road dirt. So guys, we use the Black Wrap shampoo to solve all these grains. Before washing, I recommend, as I always tell you, we need to pre-wash with our foam gun pre-wash. This, if you want to go more in depth on pre-wash, I'll leave you a link here in the top right-hand corner. Click it and go watch the video. Let's proceed with the manual washing of the car using the double bucket technique that we will use to rinse the glove or washing sponge. I'll leave you another link to learn more about the double glove technique. Still here at any rate, the glove should always be clean and should be made of soft microfiber. I recommend doing one panel at a time, one panel at a time. We rinse the glove and continue with the washing. We dilute 4 cups of product and 8 liters of water in a bucket. Now we proceed with a thorough hand washing by washing one panel at a time, always in the shade with the vehicle wet and starting from top to bottom. With each panel, rinse the sponge or wash mitt in the bucket containing clean water. We rinse the glove or sponge frequently because particles get trapped in the sponge itself and we risk having an abrasive effect or even worse, creating scratches on the paint in subsequent passes. We work one panel at a time, taking care to clean all components, including logos and details. The lubricating property of the product allows the glove to run without the risk of creating micro scratches or swirls. We complete the wash over the entire car without ever letting the shampoo dry on the bodywork. Please take your time. It requires a considerable amount of time to thoroughly clean a dirty car. It can take up to a minimum of 12 hours. Do you know how many times I forgot a spot because I wanted to do things in a hurry? Well, I'll give you some advice. Do one panel at a time so you won't forget anything. Well, now it is time to rinse the machine with high-pressure water. Its formula, rich in mineral sequestrants, makes it possible to dramatically prevent the formation of limescale stains when drying. So-called water spots leave the surface perfectly lubricated. You see, in the rinsing phase, the water opens up. The surface has been completely purified, and then the water slides off in a compact veil. When drying, I recommend using this ultra-absorbent microfiber super dryer cloth. Black Wrap Shampoo is a true 2-in-1. It rejuvenates paint or adhesive coating film by deeply and gently removing dirt, even the most persistent dirt. Your car will have a revitalized, rejuvenated new look. But can this product also be used on clear cars? Yes, definitely. This product is a reliable decontaminating shampoo. You have the freedom to use it as frequently as desired, as it will consistently provide your bodywork with a lustrous, brand new appearance. When it comes to using the Black Wrap Shampoo, you can utilize it whenever you observe your bodywork becoming lackluster or dull. Does Black Wrap Shampoo contain wax? No, because it would risk polishing dull surfaces, but it does contain protectants to preserve the original appearance over time by preserving it from limescale stains that give that grayness to wrapped or black cars. Can I do the washing with only one bucket? Yes, I can do it. However, I don't recommend it if you do it with only one bucket because you are a short-handed cleaner. You don't want to spend the money for 2 buckets. You do it wrong, however you can do it, and then I recommend that you frequently rinse the medium with which you decided to wash the car, so the sponge or the glove. If the glove is clean, it has no residue, so these cannot be moved on the bodywork, and therefore it will not be ruined, it will not be scratched. It is critical that at each panel the wash stand is perfectly clean so that the water and shampoo solution is deposited on the surface, which will help me to bring the dirt into suspension and remove it gently and without causing damage. Guys, this is Maniac stuff, you know? Some people write to me below in the comments, but it takes a day to do a job like this. Yes, it does, but if you want a nice car, it does. That is, forget about investing little time in what you are doing. You see, it says there, Maniac Line. I am a maniac. My car, I wash twice a week, and my wife looks at me and says, oh, you waste water from here, from there, from up to down. However, in the end, my car always looks good. Behold the stunning bombshell look. The original color of the wrap has resurfaced, returning in all its glory. I have to give kudos to Frank as well for this 350Z. It is clean, it is not a Tamar, and then it goes fast too. Want to transform your hair care routine? Check out Black Wrap Shampoo, a truly amazing product. Click on the link below for the detailed description and purchase it now. Join our community of car enthusiasts and let's all become obsessed with cars. Subscribe to the channel, leave us 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 likes, and we as usual see you in the next episode. Bye.